Welcome back. Congress High Command is highly upset with a couple of Goan ministers who are on a poaching drive of BJP MLAs without consulting the party supremos. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar have briefed their Goa desk in charge Jagmeet Singh Brar in Delhi. They have praised Brar on how some of the ministers are taking unilateral decisions. Congress activists say that new inductions in the party are now kept on hold till internal contentious issues are sorted out.
The heat is on in the state Congress party and is simmering day by day. Some ministers are in process of increasing their political prowess by poaching opposition MLAs from specific constituencies, assuring them government job quota. Congress leaders and aspirants from those respective constituencies are highly upset. Congress Karyakartas and party loyalists are not at all happy with the fact that ministers are assuring jobs to opposition MLAs in return of defection. They believe that those jobs should have come to their activists and not the other way around. This unrest is sensed by the Congress High Command in Delhi. CM and GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar were immediately summoned on Monday to discuss on the matter. Both of them are also upset with these ministers as decisions were taken unilaterally. CM and Subhash have briefed Brar on what exactly is happening in the state political circuit, which ministers are in pursuit of defecting opposition MLAs and what are their motives. According to Congress activists, no defected opposition MLA will be absorbed in the party until and unless the present unrest is laid to rest. Congress leaders like Naresh Sawar, who rejuvenated Congress in Bicholi, are upset with the Rajesh Patnekar's probable induction. Party High Command has also taken a note of Naresh Sawar's show of strength. For now, all major induction decisions are kept on hold and some heavyweights are being summoned to the national capital. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The confusion over dates for this year's IFFI still continues. Goa government had asked Union Ministry to prepone IFFI dates by one day due to feast of St. Francis Xavier. On 26th of September, an important meeting is being scheduled in Delhi. Decision on dates and MOU of IFFI is likely to be taken on that day. Public film screenings in Panji will be held at Church Square.
IFFI is scheduled on 22nd November to 3rd December in Goa. But MOU between the Goa government and Union Information and Broadcasting Ministry is yet to be signed. Sources say that confusion over dates of IFFI still prevails. On the concluding day of IFFI, Goa will celebrate St. Francis Xavier Feast. Goa government has asked for change in dates due to this busy schedule which can strain security arrangements. But decision on MOU and dates will now be taken on 26th of November. But good news is that public film screening will be held in Panji and Madgaon. In Panji, the screening will be held at Church Square. The theme for the public film screening is football. Many films on football will be screened during IFFI for general public. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
Finally, Ashish Shirodkar will chair Mapsa Municipal Council. He was unanimously elected as a chairperson on Tuesday. He has assured development in Mapsa Municipal area.
Election for chairperson of Mapsa Municipal Council was held on Tuesday. Ashish Shirodkar was elected as new chairperson of the municipality. 4 nominations were filed for the post. 3 were filed by Shirodkar and 1 by former chairperson Sudhir Kandolkar. However, Kandolkar withdrew his nomination. Shirodkar has assured to work for the betterment of Mapsa municipal area.
आमचे फुडलो जो एक्शन प्लॅन आसतलो तो पयली म्हणजे लोकल सिवीक बॉडी गव्हर्मेंट आनी पब्लीक एट लार्ज शूड गेट इंटरलिंक टू इच अदर. हांव सगळ्यांक म्हापशाच्या वॉर्डांनी इक्वली काम करून घेवन तितूंतल्या तितून हे मूलभूत सुविधा पयली इम्प्लिमेंट करून घेवपाक जाय हें म्हाका दिसता. आनी गार्बेजचो जो प्रॉब्लम टॅकल जावंक जाय सो सेग्रिगेशन एट सोर्स हेच्या खातीर आमी म्हापशान सगळ्या वॉर्डांतल्यान कामां करून घेवंक जाय. वॉर्डांतल्या लोकांक इनवॉल्व करूंक जाय. इट्स अ टू वे प्रोसेस.
No confidence motion was passed against Sudhir Kandolkar. This was one of the municipalities that were ruled by the BJP. But now, with the victory of Shirodkar, it has become a Congress-ruled municipality. Our reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
Naphtha fire victims are still awaiting compensation. They are upset with the investigation carried out by authorities and Mamladar. They claim that proper process was not followed. Moreover, they claim that some local representatives have misguided the officers.
Gokul Gopalakrishnan's family is one of the Naphtha fire-affected families who are still awaiting compensation. Their house at Daktale was completely devastated in the fire. Fire was raging for almost 2 weeks. They claim that they have not received any compensation except 1 lakh rupees from the Chief Minister's Relief Fund.
We have received only a compensation of 1 lakh that was given by the Chief Minister as immediate relief from his Chief Minister's Relief Fund.
Can we know the reason why?
The reason, no proper investigation had taken place. Nobody came, asked, nobody bothered to ask what is your claim, nobody has asked. Some so-called representatives gave some list and nobody had, and no inquiry, nothing as per law has taken place.
Moreover, they receive very bad treatment when they go to the Talati's office to inquire about compensation.
They didn't even bother to talk to me. They were treating me like a beggar, as in I had come to
Who?
this Talati's.
Okay.
And moreover, we go, they say, why you're coming every now and then, giving us headache, when they will come, we will inform you, in a bad tone, they speak. They don't even realize that we are the victims.
Meanwhile, Banauli MLA Mickey Pacheco met the agitated workers of Zuari on Tuesday. He also met the management.
They are very much with them. It is. They know that we can do, because when all the three machineries are closed, they can't do nothing. But they requested me to talk to the certain people, and their representative, all the labor representative was there. They are very much concerned what happened, and they agreed. And based on, I had given them suggestion, they also understand. They are also going to take a part of the agitation going to the municipality and so forth.
Naphtha fire on 21st August caused severe damage to several houses in Daktale area. It is sad that even after a month, victims are still awaiting compensation. A reporter from Daktale, Surendra Madkaikar.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.